What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. A Rockford Fosgate old school unboxing video. So this particular item ended up buying off of eBay, and at first whenever I saw the description and the price, I was thinking, man, this really isn't that good of a deal. But then I got to looking at the description of it, and I was like, well, this deal is getting even better. So basically what it is we've got a Punch 360.6 amplifier, and I noticed in the fine print part, not fine print, but in the guy's writing, that there were end caps included with it, which the end caps were not, like, they were a couple pictures in, so I don't think a lot of people saw them. So let me get these out here. I'll get everything out the best that I can. I'm going to save these to last, although you guys may have already seen what those were. And I'll get these out too. Golden caps, gotta love that. Okay, so the main thing, I'm about ready to lose my stuff, that we have here. What is this? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so packed pretty good. So the main thing that was purchased is going to be the 360.6. This amplifier has some issues. It was being sold as is, weren't sure if it worked or not. And what's going on here? You have to bear with me. I'm trying to figure out where this is. That's taped all the way through. So let's just cut this right through here. Excuse me. Still getting over a cold. Okay, so here's the amplifier. Now, the reason why I bought this partially is because A, it's a 360.6. And the other reason why I bought it was because of all these screws in the end. Okay, most people aren't going to go through the effort of putting this kind of screw in here if an amplifier doesn't work. So my thought was that on the outside possibility, maybe it works, maybe it doesn't work. But either way, this is my second 360.6 that I bought in less than a month's time. So it has, the seals have been opened on it, so, which isn't a big deal. The main thing that I noticed was that, excuse me, once again, it came with end caps. So the end caps that it came with are a pair of these, which is for 500X. I don't own an amplifier for these, so those will probably get sold. Here is a pair of the gray style end caps, which these will probably end up going on this one because they match the other 360.6 that I have. So there's those. I do have a gold set of end caps that were included as well. And I don't know, these might actually go with the amplifier. I'm not 100% sure. The guy that I got this from also included a little pamphlet here for a punch link and for the end caps. That's kind of cool. I don't have one of these, so that's actually kind of neat. These, I remember these custom examples, use the secret compartment to showcase anything in your imagination can dream up. So LED bar graph meters, voltage, just lots of cool stuff. So this is actually really neat for the punch link, and then the end bells or end caps. But what I had seen, that the one thing that I saw, actually, hold on. Is that? Okay, that's not included. The main ones that I saw are going to be these. These are the chrome end caps, They don't really show up on here very well. But chrome end caps that I ended up seeing, and I was like, oh man, because I just picked up a 250.2, and the 250.2 does not work. It has a bad channel on it, but it didn't have end caps. So now I have a nice clean pair of end caps that I can go put with it and send it out, get it fixed, or do something with it. So here's a little baggie that the seller included. Let's open this up to see what's in here. I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, these are just some of the screws and stuff, and then the terminal screws. So that'd be nice to have for the end caps, considering I wasn't even aware that these were included. So that's going to be a big shout out to that guy, so to the seller. But some of these might be up for sale, some of them might not. I'm going to test the amplifier next and see if it works. Excuse me. Fingers crossed that it does, but I did buy it not working, so I'm not going to get my hopes up. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop me a line down below. Like I say in every video, you know the routine: thumbs up, thumbs down, all that good stuff. I'm hoping to kind of change things up here in a little bit. I've got a shelf system over top of my workbench here, and I'm going to look into possibly a GoPro and picking one of those up to do like an overhead view of what I've got here, and then I'll still use this view from this camera so I can try to edit it and ping pong videos back and forth and stuff. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a holler, drop me a line down below if you like the video or not. Be sure to subscribe, help out a brother, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.